I'm sure you are interested with the program, so let me proceed with the program. For our program, frequency distribution based on first choice. Nursing is leading again, same as last year. 3,961 takers preferred nursing, and 1,954 are candidates for admission. Civil engineering, 1,683 with 894 candidates for admission. Animal science, 1,337 with 180 candidates for admission. Followed by BSHM, 1,041, 214 qualified for candidates for admission. Followed by psychology, 920 with 536 candidates. Then information, science, technology. Okay, sorry. Wala ni nasi. Okay. So these are our top programs. Top 10. And of course, if you belong to Group A, you can choose any of the program because there are only 892 Group A, percentile rank 95 to 99. Next. So that's